Welcome to Stone Logic. Me Caveman hear big brain men talk about magic shiny rocks called Bitcoin. Me confuse. What this shiny rock? Me explain. Long time ago, tribe use shiny rocks and shells for trade. Then men say, no carry heavy rock, use magic coin inside magic cave. This magic coin no see or hold, only live in invisible cave, called internet. Cryptocurrency mean cave money, but not real cave money. It live in magic cave, protected by many strong rock walls called blockchain. Blockchain, like tribe's big book, every trade write down, so no cheat. Bitcoin first magic coin, no king or chief control it. Many men called miners use big fire rock computers to solve hard puzzle. When puzzle solved, miner get new Bitcoin, like gift. Bitcoin no made by tribe or chief, made by many men together. No can cheat or steal because all men watch and check big book. Bitcoin like magic rock that no melt, no break, no fake. People trade Bitcoin to buy stuff or save it for future, like hide shiny rock in secret cave. Some think Bitcoin like treasure, some think like gamble. Big brain men say it can make tribe rich or tribe poor. But cavemen, beware. Bitcoin magic tricky, price go up and down like angry mammoth. If not careful, you lose shiny rock. Also, many tricksters use Bitcoin for bad things. So, listen good, think long before jump in magic cave. So, Bitcoin not real rock, but magic idea, like fire or wheel, new tool for trade, not for smash head. Caveman wise, use it smart, not chase quick shiny thing. If want more caveman wisdom on magic world, hit subscribe and come back for more. Like, share, subscribe.